here at Mogador's, and what a disappointment, they're full. So can't stay here, but I was able to stop and give you a quick tour round. Straight out of the doorway, you have the ocean. What more do you want? It's a bit of a bumpy road down here, but my God, what a place. You don't need to worry about turning. If you do get disappointment, there's plenty of room to turn and everything. They've got lovely little villas as well that you can rent, and there is parking approximately half a kilometre down this lane, and that's going to let us park there, and we may be able to walk down here for a meal, but we'll have a look around over the next day or so. Let me take you up into the campsite. This definitely looks a 5-star location. Very well constructed. Coming around this side, it's like an honesty shop really, help yourself. All your basic knickknacks. Toilet facilities and WC facilities down the bottom. And then we'll take a walk up through here. But what a stunning view. Little fishing town down to the right. Bring your surfboard, that's all I can say. What a place to chill for the evening. The other campsite is down where those buildings are. It's not as nice as this in any way, but perfectly acceptable for the location. Someone has put a lot of thought into this, keeping it rustic, traditional. And although the campers are tucked at the back, still can't fault it. Looks good security. Lovely pool area. You have to really call it camper paradise. I'll put all the prices and the links to this in the description, but let's quickly take a look down at the parking places. I can fully understand the people not turning over regularly, because why would you want to leave? Laundry facilities down the bottom. Well, that's a change. A pleasant change. You cannot knock that in any way, shape or form. Table tennis. Shower facilities. Mostly toilet facilities. And a shower in there as well. 60 dirham to do the laundry. Wonder if it's a twin tub. Grey water dumping down the bottom. And water top up. Lovely areas to sit in the shade. And security wall all the way around. But it is 100% advisable booking in advance, and we never did because we're just exploring. Highly impressive. Well, a disappointment. No reservation, no place, but what a paradise. When I come back up from the actual Sahara, this will be one I'll be giving him an email way in advance to get some space. Absolutely lovely. I'll put all the prices and everything in the description on this video, with also the full playlist to all the places I've stopped at on the way down the coast. And do remember to subscribe to the channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these videos for you. And remember, this is a busman's holiday, so I'm only actually doing videos on campsites that I think are worthy. And this one, without even staying here, I'm going to tell you now, it's 5-star.